Look at me coming to y'all with short hair. Who is this woman? Who is this woman? So today I'm bringing you guys a Black History inspired makeup tutorial. We got the black, we got the red, we got the green, and of course we got the pride, Black History, not the month, Black History period. We don't only need a month to celebrate, we celebrate it period. Let's just jump right into this tutorial, all right? So if you're not part of the royal gang, make sure you hit the subscribe button right down there, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I'm on your screen, your tablet, your phone, wherever, whenever that you are watching me. And make sure you give me a like, comment, show some love. And without further ado,
let's get down to business.
Being that it's Black History Month, we should showcase and broadcast some Black owned makeup brands. So to start off, I'm going to be using the Fenty primer, and then I'm going to be using the Juvias Place concealer in the number 12, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyelids so that my eyelids are the same color, and blend that out with a stippling brush. Of course, it only makes sense to showcase a Black owned brush set. And this is the Royal brush set that is available on my website, www.sheisroyalty.net. Look at that, straight royalty. We're going to use the biggest fluffy brush and go into the Box of Crayons palette by the Crayon case. Oh, look at this, Black Excellence. I'm going to use the tan color, and that is the color that I'm going to use all over my crease. That is going to be my blending shade. So I'm just going to apply that all over my crease by tapping it in. And then I'm going to go into the red. The red is definitely going to be my transition color so that I could add that red that represents the blood that was shed throughout our history. Make sure you blend that out as seamlessly as possible. Red is a difficult color to blend. Now going into the black, using the flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to just pack the black on while shaping it around the crease of my eye. And I'm just going to pack on that black. Taking the angled crease brush, I'm going to then blend the black and the red together. The black representing our skin tone and who we are as individuals and African Americans. Going back and forth between the black and the red, I'm just gonna blend the red and add some black until it's as blended as I like. Now going into the Juvias Place foundation, I'm going to take the foundation brush from the Royal brush set, which is well packed, very much so dense. And I'm just going to pack that into my skin. This is a very much so full coverage foundation. When I tell you full coverage, girl, it covers everything. Everything. Packing that into the skin, then I'm going to contour using the black Opal foundation stick. And if I'm not mistaken, this is in the color Ebony Brown. Yeah, I believe so. And then I'm just going to blend that out across my jawline, my cheekbone and my forehead. And using the same product, I'm going to take the flat concealer brush from the Royal brush set and use that to contour my nose. Going in with the same Juvias Place concealer again in the number 12 and the Royal Beauty Sponge. I'm going to blend all the concealer out across my face, nose, forehead, chin, cupid's bow, all of that. Y'all see how that sponge blends? Blends, honey, blends. Sacha Buttercup, this is another black owned makeup brand, actually owned by the Trinidadian. I'm going to use this and apply this underneath my eye. The same place that I applied the concealer is the same place I'm going to set. Of course, Fenty Beauty Riri, going into Mocha Mami bronzer, and I'm going to bronze the side of my face and my forehead. Going back into the crayon case, box of crayons palette, I'm going to take the green, and that represents the nature of the motherland, Africa. I'm going to put that underneath my waterline. Dusting off the excess Sacha Buttercup, I'm going to go into the blush binder. Y'all, I'm obsessed. I'm going to take these two blush colors on the first page, and that is going to be my blush. Oh, I'm just loving it. Just black excellence. I'm so here for it. Lashes by She Is Royalty in the style Slay, because we going to slay all 2021. Forever ever. Now for this green, what I did was I took Trophy Wife and I mixed it with the green in the Crayon Case palette, and I used that as the inner tear duct color, and for highlight I used Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty. Now this gloss is actually from Get Lashed. This is the first black owned store in the Aventura Mall, so I had to stop by and support. This is the gloss in the color Skin, and when I tell you this gloss is popping, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Girl, perfect nude, period. So here is the finished look. I'm actually very happy with how this look came out, because the initial idea I had in mind, I figured out it wasn't going to work. So then I came up with this, and now I'm just like, okay. So I'm giving Black History colors, our black, our red, and our green. And I did a hint of the like a metallic green concoction in the inner tear duct. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tutorial, especially being that we should take pride in who we are. And I know that we take pride in who we are, but we should stand firm and be confident and know that we are powerful, we are one. So with that being said, I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure y'all leave any comments, questions, anything like that down in the comment section, and I will see y'all next time. Happy Black History Month.